starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I could see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and lay all that shit bare. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting.